layout of the Kemper sound insulated welding cabins can be configured individually. The entrance areas are equipped with lateral sliding strip curtain panels. The particular flexible and smooth moving exhaust arm ensures an optimal capturing of the harmful substances. An LED light is optional. The special design of the Kemper exhaust hood offers a 40% higher efficiency level than standard oval hoods, and it requires less repositioning. Red, transparent rigid screens allow a safe view into the welding bay. Kemper welding cabins offer an optimal protection against noise and sparks. The grinding tables capture the particles at the work surface and back wall. The tables are available in different sizes. For larger workpieces, the side walls can be swiveled away. Kemper also offers tables for manual cutting applications. The downdraft method is very effective. The certified extraction and filter unit filters the air and recirculates the cleaned air back to the workshop. A frequency inverter is reducing the power consumption. The noise level of the unit is very low, below 65 dBA. These are only a few highlights of the Kemper system. Kemper, the right partner for a safe working environment.